Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger. In this video, we're going to talk about ways to make money with Lego. There are a lot of ways to turn your love of Lego bricks into making money. So let's talk about some of the ways I've made money from selling Lego, and not just by flipping Lego sets. That's the easy way, but there are a bunch of ways that you can make money with Lego. Lego bricks are a popular children's toy that can be used to create a variety of objects. Some people have a lot of extra Lego bricks and don't know what to do with them. Let's talk about how to make money by creating a new Lego creation. If you're like most people, you have a bucket or two of loose Lego bricks lying around your house. What you may not realize is that those bricks can be turned into cash by selling them online. BrickLink, an online marketplace for Lego builders, is a great place to sell your creations in addition to individual pieces. You can also sell entire sets and kits. And if you'd like, you can also sell your original creations online. There are many websites that allow you to sell your creations, such as Etsy and eBay. There's software that can help you plan out your creation without the need for bricks, and then you can use the instructions to actually make the creation with real Lego bricks. If you're going to create something new from those old Lego pieces, you can either start from scratch and work out an idea for the parts you have, or you can find a website that helps you build new sets from those old Lego bricks. The more unique your creation, the better the chance that someone will want to buy your creation. An example is if you can turn them into a cool vehicle or building. Add your creativity and see what others are offering on sites like Etsy. You can also bundle the bricks in packs, maybe similar colors or types. There are many hobbyists who like to work on their own creations and need tons of bricks for larger projects. I find eBay is a great marketplace to sell those bundles. You'll be surprised at how many bundled Lego bricks you can find, and if you're good at thrifting, you might be able to find Lego sets at garage sales and thrift stores and be able to flip those packages for more money once you figure out a new idea of what you can make with those old discarded Lego bricks. Many people think that the only way to make money off Lego sets is to buy them when they are first released and sell them immediately if there's hot demand for that particular set. While this is a great way to make a profit, there is an even better way to make money off those blocks. Wait until the set is no longer being made and then resell it for a higher price. Yes, this means that you have to sit on inventory for a while before you can sell those sets, but when you do, you're going to get more money than if you just flipped it right away. So depending on what type of business you want to have with your Lego bricks, you can either flip right away and make an instant profit, maybe not as much, but you will make a bit of profit on that sale, or you can hold off and keep it for a longer period of time and then make even more money when that set is no longer available for purchase in retail stores. Another way people make money with Lego is to create YouTube channels that focus on building Lego sets and reviews. This can be a great way to teach others about the process of building Lego sets, as well as review them and let potential buyers know the difficulty of building that set in the review. You can also give tips on how to create new and interesting designs with Lego pieces. There are many ways to make money with your Lego hobby. One way is to create original art. As Lego is copyrighted, you can only create one-off unique designs that can be resold without having an issue with the Lego brand. You can create these designs and then sell them online. There are many websites that allow you to sell your creations. You could also create a website of your own to sell them on. Just remember that you cannot mass produce the design. This is how Alec Monopoly gets away with selling art with Mr. Monopoly or Richie Rich on it. He only creates one-off unique variations of the art and doesn't mass produce it. This falls under fair artistic use, so you can't put the design on a t-shirt and sell 100 copies of it, but you could make a design with one copy. As long as you make it original and it's not mass produced, you could be able to sell these Lego pieces on various pieces of clothing or turn it into a piece of art. There are many things that you can do artistically that can make money off those Lego blocks that might be sitting there, and you just have to be a little bit creative when you think outside the box and start to play with these Lego pieces. You'll be able to figure out how to turn those Lego pieces into something that can make you money. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with the Lego hobby. You can start your own business, sell your creations online, or find other ways to monetize your skills. If you're creative and passionate about Legos, there's no reason why you can't make some extra money with your hobby. So get started today and see how much you can earn. If you like entrepreneurial content and have not already subscribed to the channel, do it now so you know when the next video goes up. We always appreciate when you hit the like button. And until the next video, have a great day and we'll see you soon.